Hi guys, this video is going over how to use my Canvas page if you are absent. So if you're absent for whatever reason and you want to stay up to date on all the stuff in class so you're not behind when you come back, especially if you're out for COVID and or you've just missed my class for a doctor's appointment, either way. The agenda will have everything that you need. So if you click on the agenda, go to the day you're missing. As you can see, you'll see homework, and it'll say yes or no. Okay, so first, let's go to, say you were absent Monday, August 9th. So if you were absent on Monday, you would click on Monday. Monday was lesson 5, plot rational and irrational numbers on the number line. So the first thing you can click on is if you click on the notes will pop up right here. Okay. Once it's as a PDF, you can save it, and there are some tools that you can have on your Chromebook, and you can edit PDFs. If not, you can always take notes on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, but if you have a printer, you can always print it out, and then once you have this paper, if you go back to Canvas, so for lesson 5, you can click on the video link. The video will send you a video of one of the math teachers going over the notes. It will either be me or it will be Mrs. Reed going over the notes with you. And this goes over all the notes. You can follow along. This was the lesson that was taught in class today. Okay, so you're receiving pretty much the same lesson that was taught in class. So once you've looked at the notes, once you've watched the video, okay, always watch the video before you attempt the homework for that day. Okay, so always watch the video first and then attempt the homework. So this homework is on a PDF as well. You can save it and use the tools you have on your Chromebook to complete it on your Chromebook, or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, you will label the paper as ordering rational and irrational numbers, put question 1, and then since you are plotting points, you would have to draw the number line. And then you would place the numbers on the number line just like you would on this paper. Okay. From there, you can always scan it back to me. You can take a clear picture where I can see all the homework being done on your Chromebook and send that to me through an email. Or there's an app called Genius Scan. Okay. Genius Scan is an app for the phone, and you can always scan your pictures and it will, and then you can email them to me as well. Okay, so if you are absent for whatever reason it may be, just know that you can always go to Canvas, go to the agenda, look at the lesson we did for the day, and watch the video. And if there's homework, complete the homework. If there's not any homework, then just make sure you watch the video and you're caught up with all the information. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. Hope to see you soon.